Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up configure Rivian Wall Charger with network access, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking the Rivian Wall Charger from its box. Make sure you have all the components ready for installation. Identify a suitable location for mounting the charger near your parking spot. Ensure that this location has access to a dedicated electrical circuit. Check the necessary local codes and permits for electrical installations. Use a stud finder to locate wall studs if you're mounting on drywall. Mark the placement of the charger unit on the wall where you wish to install it. Drill pilot holes at the marked locations to prepare for mounting. Secure the wall charger to the wall using the provided screws. Connect the charger to the electrical supply according to the installation manual. Ensure that all connections are tight and properly insulated. Once connected, restore power to the circuit you used for the charger. Download the Rivian app on your smartphone if you haven't already. Create an account or log in to your existing Rivian account. Follow the app prompts to add a new device. Select your wall charger from the list of available devices. The app may prompt you to put the charger in pairing mode. Press the button on the charger to activate pairing mode. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Input the Wi-Fi credentials as prompted to establish a connection. Wait for the app to confirm that the charger is successfully connected to Wi-Fi. Once connected, review the settings in the app for the wall charger. Customize your charging schedules and preferences according to your needs. Check for any firmware updates for the charger in the app. If an update is available, initiate the update process. Once complete, confirm that your charger is functioning properly by testing it with your Rivian vehicle. Ensure that the app displays real-time charging status and logs for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.